In this tutorial, you will learn how to set up a new product or edit an existing product. The software allows you to create the products that are used in your operation. You can define the product name, type of product, usages, and other detailed information. You can also set up your product conversions to help calculate product needed or used and product refills needed. Product mixes can also be created in this software to help you better track your product blends. To begin, open SMS. Select a product in the management tree that you would like to set up or edit the properties of. Right-click and choose Edit Item from the management tree menu that appears. The Edit Product dialog will now open. The following values should be filled in depending on the intended usage and tracking of the product. The Product Info tab contains general information that helps define the product. Enter a custom product name that describes the actual product, such as the hybrid or variety name of the seed product. Then, set a product group, such as grain, for a product that will be used for seed then harvested. Select Product Usage to further define how this product will be used in your operation. The crop type should now be set to identify the crop that the product will be associated with, which will help when filtering data in maps and reports. The Product Mix checkbox is only available for product groups that are application-based, such as fertilizer or chemical. The description box allows you to document specific details about a product. Lastly, the Is Active option defines whether or not a product will be available to select when editing existing data or reading new data into the software. The Product Mix tab is only available when the Product Mix box is checked on the Product Info tab. A product mix must be built from products that have already been created in the software. You cannot add new products to the Product Mix tab. When building a product mix, your products will need to add up to 100% to ensure resulting calculations are accurate. Product mixes can only be defined for products that are assigned to fertilizer, chemical, or grass seed product usages. They are best used when you have blended products that you want to track by the individual components that make up the blend. The Product Description tab provides specific properties that can be entered and are dependent on what was selected in the Product Info tab. While all of the fields contained on the screen are optional, it is highly recommended to at least fill in the cells that are highlighted, as these will be used in resource tracking calculations. The Product Conversions tab allows the user to define the conversion values for a product for application and harvest. These conversions are used to calculate attributes such as product used and needed, product refills required, and product unloads. Once your product has been fully defined or updated, click the OK button. Remember that if you forget to set a property value or need to update a value previously inputted, you can always go back and edit the products. You have now learned how to set up a new product or edit an existing product. For more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.